There's huge collaboration between the government, the state agencies, the third level institutions, and private industry to accelerate the digital technology.
The main challenge, in fact, consists of enabling the use of these general purpose digital technologies such as artificial intelligence coupled with Internet of Things, smart components, systems and networks, HPC and big data in order to drive future growth.
In relation to all these possibilities, all this opportunity for transformation, the Commission is also preparing not only a series of legislative initiatives, but next year we will have also a vision on the digital decade. So the next 10 years, what we expect Europe will manage to deliver and how we will transform ourselves for the better and for the benefit of our citizens.
And we believe that in the EU we should work together towards meeting ambitious digital goals, and we must foster innovation and strengthen the competitiveness of the single market with the focus on connectivity, data, economy, skills, as well as stronger digital capabilities of the SMEs.
I would start with giving you, I would say, some of the big priorities for the incoming Portuguese presidency. And of course, the digital will be one of the 5 big priorities. We want to uphold digital democracy, which must be reinforced to ensure Europe's role as a global reference.
In summary, there's lots of research that we've done in partnership with Arthur D. Little into these areas, but we essentially established that there are 5 broad policy goal areas, and there's some great examples around the world that we can learn from. Fundamentally, we have to drive digital infrastructure investment, but we've also got to be mindful of developing those other important attributes such as digital skills, capabilities, and also digital awareness to previously disenfranchised groups like the elderly.
We're focusing too much on the sources of funds and not on the uses of funds. We cannot spend in Europe 18 months discussing how we finance certain plans, and we really do not make plans on how to use those funds. And again, I blame myself and my country first, that we need to do more on the asset side of the balance sheet, not on the liability side.